Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. My name is Audrey and today we're going to open a big pack of Hatchimals. And today I like Hatchimals. Well, these ears don't look like Hatchimals. They are ears. So let's dig in. Oh, I think I need a help. No, I'll take off this card first. Need some scissors. Oh, like this. Scissors. Bigger scissors than I want a smaller kit. Hard to cut. Cardboard. My name is Audrey, but I changed. My name is Tattletale. Ha ha ha! I'm just kidding. I never liked Tattletale. Tattletale is a scary. She's a dinosaur. But if she eats her mama's heart, she turns into evil mama. See, really telling you the truth. And this is what a Hatchimals egg looks like. My first time opening this Hatchimal. Ah, oopsie. Who's this? Wow. This is fake. Wire. Oh, look at this. You can hold this in here. I'll open it and rub this. Oh my gosh. Now let's take off the other ones. I'll open these. These are so hard. Oh my god, I'm scratched. That's rubbing the heart. It's turning pink, you see? So rub. Until it's all rub. And I'm not rubbing, I'm doing like this. It just turns pink. I need to crack it somewhere easy. Oh, I'll just make it completely pink. They're very hard to rub. I thought it was easy. It was very hard to rub, but it's so fun. Hard, thick, sweet clay. This is blue spot. Very hard. Rub. Just keep rubbing and fight the rub. Can rub. Something. Crack the egg open or something. Rub. Let's see what is in there. So pink. Rub it. Oh. Pinky. Like dreams of rubbing. I just opened the mouth. Rub. I can't rub it. My leg's so hard to rub. I feel it. I can't rub. How do you rub it? Rub it and keep hot. Nice and warm egg. Already pink. It's very hard to crack it open. Okay, then open it. Rub it, and somehow it can't open. Excuse me, cameraman, I'm asking you something. It can't rub open. How can it? Cameraman, how can it not rub open? It's supposed to rub open. Here, take the egg. You're not supposed to take it off. You're just supposed to rub the egg. It's supposed to rub the heart until it makes very pink. And the thumb. Okay. Rub the egg. Oh, I'll take it this way. I'll get this one pink. Yay, my first Hatchimal has come out. You just have to crack it hard. Ooh, we got with sparkly wings. Okay, this thing is very crusty. We don't need these. Take the other one. And to rub it, crack it very hard, right? I don't think I'm strong enough to do it, but I'll try like this. But I have rub and rub. Squish. Squish. Ow. 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 Let me try one more time until it gets more hot, more pink on the other side. See here? Okay, pink. Now I'm going to squish it. You like this. Squish. Can't open it. Too hard. Let me open it. It's bird. We have another bird. No, it's not a bird. What is it? It looks like a pig. It is a pig. It's so easy to break when it's out of this thing. Rubber. Look at it. Whenever you want. I'm just putting it down here, okay? Now the egg. Stop standing up. I'll take the white one. Because it's from Snow Collection. Come on, look at the fly and see which one it is. Talk.
Let me help choose.
Okay. We'll make it warm, nice heart, pink heart. We have to make the heart real pink. And then crack it open. This one looks easy to crack. Okay. These are not yet very real. Crap. I'm just going to nest it, break it. These are done. It's not open. Okay, I'm not opening like that. Squish it open. On the table. You can't open it. And you, egg fell. Over, open for me, and I'll open it, okay? Okay, this is very cute. Okay, I'll let you see it later. I'm not going to do anything to this. We need to do this fast. So, it's not, you guys know in Macau it's already nighttime. Do you think so? These are already nighttime, okay? So we need to do this fast. We're making videos. These are videos at nighttime. It's nighttime gamers. Did one egg overblow? Okay, I'll open this one. Take off this Hatchimals. Koala. A koala? Rubbish. Oh, Snow Collection. Okay, I'll just put this here. Stay here. Stay. Oh, no, I like it so aqua. Put it here. Only one Snow Collection in this one. Very cool. Snow is a thing, I don't know what. You can see it. It's already falling down every time. Penguin. Always so easy to open. This is what my classmate has. This deer, but the wings is not the same color. Well, yellow. Hope it's good. Oh, it's not the golden Hatchimal. Oh, it's not. Do you know that thing that's the golden Hatchimal?
Yes.
I just told you before. I see a piece of that heart. Don't worry, piece of the heart. This is a piece of the heart, and this is a piece of the heart. A zebra, and I see in YouTube. Wow. Real fast. You can do it, alright? I'll do it, okay? Just stop. You can stop already. Eggshell. And the head. Ah, the eggshell fell down. Crack the egg open. This one is real easy. Crack open. Don't let this one fall down. Stay. Get this down. Right. So many eggs. How much eggs?
How many eggs?
What is 6 plus 6?
12.
12 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh,
5,
it's the
6,
last one.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Knew it! The last one is red collection. I'll just poop it in the heart and I'll crack it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Last one. I'll show you all of them one by one.
Have a close up.
I'll put it here, okay? Ah, slow down. Stop falling, Hatchimals. Yeah, I see myself. Actually. Oh? Yeah, almost done. Almost gonna turn this camera off. Because I know the camera almost has no more memory, right? We use all of the memory. That's what my friend has.
Okay.
Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Bye. And this basket too. Oops, I'm going to pull this basket, put all the rubbish. This one is full. Bye guys. See you next time. And subscribe, thumbs up. Bye, I already said that.